What's up, guys? Toffee. Yes, Toffee. I got a request from one of my buddies to do this video. This goes out to you, Johnny. Alrighty, so first thing that we are going to do is put our butter in the pan. And then the sugar. I also forgot, get a tablespoon of water. So then you're going to turn this on to about medium-high, and then we just kind of sit and wait for everything to melt. I'm going to try and get everything to break down a little bit more. Get every little thing to melt. You want to just constantly whisk it and constantly mix it just so it doesn't stick to the bottom of your pan. And once it starts boiling a little bit, then I like to throw my candy thermometer in there. So the temperature that you were looking for is going to be around 278. That's the one that I found, or 268, 278. That's the temperature that I found works the best for me. If you try going anything above that, then your toffee is just going to get it's going to get really hard and just burn. What we are going to do next is take our pan and take a sheet pan with a little bit of parchment on it. And we're going to spread our toffee over the pan. Then we're going to spread this out evenly just to try and get it as even as possible to get an even little bit. And then once it is on the sheet tray, we're going to put this in the refrigerator and wait for this to cool down a little bit. Alright, so now that we've had the toffee in the fridge for a little bit of time to cool down, let's go check it out. Alright, so I just took it out of the fridge, and it is beautiful looking. This looks absolutely amazing. So it is the right consistency. It's breaking off into little shards. So then what I like to do is I like to use something blunt and then just kind of hit it and try and break it up into little shards. And there we have it, our delicious toffee. Alright, so it's nice and thick, nice golden color. It's not burnt. It just melts in your mouth. So I like to put this on top of ice cream, brownies. You can just eat it by itself. It's super easy to make. So if you like this video, hit that like button and please subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one.